Creative, you get to create. You get to create. This is incredible. Hey, creative, when's the last time you played? Look, becoming a creative person, an artist, takes a lot of work. It takes effort, intentionality. It takes concentration, energy, time, effort. All of that stuff can be not fun. And if you get too much into it, you can forget that creativity, honestly, is about joy. Yes, even when you are expressing things that are angry, and even when you are expressing things that are grief, because you are expressing them in a way that other humans can comprehend and take into themselves. If you forget that this is about joy, this can become a slog. Creating can become something you have to do, not something you get to do. And creative, you get to create. You get to create. This is incredible. It is so essential that at least once in a while, you remember to play, to create something that's nonsense, that's not part of your 5-year plan. It's not on your vision board, something you're not worried about showing people, or if you are, it's nobody who's going to take it too seriously. It's not about your career. It's not about your reputation. It's just to play. When's the last time you played? Do you remember playing as a kid? When you started to get into creation, even if it was just construction paper and messy glue, you made stuff because you loved it. It was fun. That is something we tend to lose in this world, but it's also something you can regain. Creative, don't forget to play. Pull up some kind of project that has nothing to do with serious, important things and play. Maybe today's the day to play. Take some time, sit down with me, and let's make something new.